Aqua Globe from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is a suit in which even the location of the eyes is surprising. They are located in the cap area, which gives an unusual but very convenient viewing angle. The design on the Isolon frame is light, does not constrain movements, and is ideal for height up to 185 centimeters. Breathes easily thanks to the ventilation thought out in the cap area. The set includes pants, a jacket, gloves, and soft shoes with rubberized soles. Each seam and element undergo a 3-stage quality control, so the suit retains its shape even after active use. Aqua Globe is ideal for shows, festivals, children's parties, and events related to the theme of the ocean and travel. Production in Russia, production time, from 14 days. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to more than 160 countries of the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an exact cost calculation? Contacts for video. Write or call right now.